What's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. I hope you are too. Finally, we got some great news coming over for the crypto markets, guys. I don't know if you've been hiding under a rock, but I don't know if you've heard. But guess what? We got another beatdown on the SEC. Grayscale won their lawsuit against the SEC. Which pretty much doesn't say that you're going to get an ETF, but it's the right step forward to take to getting that goddamn Bitcoin ETF. News are being driven. Big shout out to Jose Nachi over on the YouTube channel. Thank you for that subscribe. We got some great news, guys. We got some great news. Grayscale won their lawsuit against the SEC. That is wonderful to see. That is always super duper good to see, my man. Let me tell you right now, that's the right step, the right direction to take to get that goddamn ETF coming over towards Bitcoin. That drives demand, that drives money flow into Bitcoin. I don't know if you saw it today, but check it out. This is Bitcoin right now. Boom. Rocket ship to the upside, guys. Look at that. Let me see if you can you see that? Can you see that? Check that. Look. Straight shot to the upside, and that's just the rumors. We don't have a Bitcoin ETF just yet, okay? This is just a step towards the right direction, okay? So imagine the day that we actually do get that ETF approved and all that money just gets run into Bitcoin. That's going to be wonderful to see. Big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. You guys are amazing like always. Big shout out for everybody over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome just like always. Shuham, what's going on? Shuham over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to YouTube, man. It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, trying to make these gains to the upside. I always enjoy when these prices go to upside, guys. It is what it is. What are we looking at right now? Cup and handle formation? Potential cup and handle formation? That's wonderful to see. What I'm going to be doing today, guys, on today's class, I'm going to be resetting my entry prices for XRP. Okay? We got a whole new game set on the table right now. We got to reset our strategy, okay? We got to rewatch the screen. We got to rewatch the charts. I'm going to redo the Fibonacci levels, and I'm going to try to figure out what is the best entry prices to getting in on some Bitcoin action. Because I do believe that we're going to have a little bit of a rocket ship scenario playing out right now, guys. Some movement to the upside, and we need to take advantage of that as quickly as possible. Okay, so if that is something that interests you, make sure that you smash the like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. So big shout out for everybody here. Jason Frederick over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Jason Frederick. Hi from Australia. Let's go BTC and XRP. My man, let's go. You're telling me that I'm being watched over on Australia, brother? I'm worldwide. I'm worldwide. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over in Australia. To you, Jason Frederick. Big shout out to you. Big shout out for everybody over here on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. What's up with you guys? Also, guys, if you have any technical analysis that you want to do, any coins that you want to look at, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do my best to read it out loud for you guys, okay? I'll do whatever coin or asset you want to look at. Let me set up the charts over here so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. And we're going to go in it today. Boom, boom, boom. Also, I'm retrying the TikTok live stream software. Looks like it's working. It hasn't worked for me in the past before. It always gives me like a community guideline strike for some reason. I don't know why. But I'm retrying it. Hopefully I don't get a strike and I don't get my channel taken down again. Okay? So let's see. Let me know over on the TikTok channel if you like the quality of what you're looking on the screen right now. So big shout out for everybody over on the TikTok. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see how it gets here, guys. We got a great day for crypto, that's for sure. Some power to the upside. We got some water. We're going to go into today, guys. Some upwards momentum for Bitcoin. Potential breakout to the upside. Let's see if it actually plays out, but we're gonna definitely we gotta retry what we were doing. Our strategy has to change, okay? We gotta set some new ground rules. we're not bearish anymore. We're not bearish anymore. Let me get rid of all of this so that we can restart the class. We got to restart the strategy. We got to go look at it again. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Man, you got to love crypto. Salvador Aguirre 312 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Salvador. So we got to redo. We got to restart all over again. We got to go from zero, guys. We got to go from zero. Okay? We got to do it all over again because I just don't see any more power to the downside. There is zero excuse to bring the price of Bitcoin even lower, any lower than this. Okay? That 20K target price that I had, I don't think that we're going to see that. I don't think that we're going to see that at all. Yep, we just got to reset our Fibonacci levels and go back in again. It is what it is. It's just how the game is played. Sometimes we get it right, sometimes we get it wrong, and we reset the rule, we reset the game, and we start all over again. Simple as that. Simple as that. So if that is something that interests you, go right ahead and smash the like button, guys. The more you smash the like button, the higher the price of XRP goes. Look at what the screen is doing right now. XRP is going to the upside because you're smashing the like buttons, guys. It's a given fact. It's a scientific fact. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook. I'm all over the place. No excuses not to get my target prices and my price movements over on XRP. We're going to see how we're going to be trading this to the upside from now on. Some new target prices are going to be set. Okay. We're going to be looking at where are we going to be going in on Bitcoin now. Okay, now that we're going to have this little momentum to the upside, we got to reset the Fibonacci levels again, okay? I don't think we're going to go down to 20K. We might have to go back in at 25K. Who knows? We're going to find out, that's for sure. We're going to set our Fibonacci levels. We're going to look at our indicators once again. And let's see what the hell the market is going to do. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. Okay, smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. If you're looking over on my YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you can notify it every time I stream over here on YouTube. I'm trying to stream every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so big shout out for everybody here. I highly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. And let's go for this little hour of power and figure out what the hell are we going to do with this crypto nonsense that is happening today. We're enjoying it, that's for sure. We're enjoying it. Absolutely 100%. No questions asked whatsoever. No questions asked. Let me get some water before we start. Guys, let me know over on the TikTok if you can see. I'm using the software from now on. Let's see if it actually looks a little bit better than what I was doing before. Hopefully I don't get a community strike because every time I use the goddamn software, I get a goddamn community strike and I get my channel taken down. So let me know if it actually looks a little better than what we were doing before. Okay? And then I'll keep using it. Salvador Aguirre over on the TikTok saying, I'm new to this, brother. I'm trying to learn everything I can about crypto. Then you're in the right place, brother. You're in the right place. Smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, brother. Follow me for whatever you need, man. I'm here. You got me for an hour of power. Whatever you want to talk about, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will answer whatever questions you guys have. I've been doing this for 15 years. I live off this. I'm a crypto trader 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's what I do. So whatever questions you guys have, you got me for a little hour of power. Go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. Also, every single one of my live streams is being recorded over to my YouTube channel. So if you want to rewatch all of my streams, how do I go in? How do I get out of trades? What are my strategies? What is it that I do? What is my mindset? What are the indicators that I'm using? Everything that I'm doing over in crypto, everything is being recorded into my YouTube channel. So head on over to my YouTube channel, link in my link tree in my bio. Okay, make sure that you subscribe over there and you can rewatch all those videos as many times as you want. Also, I stream here every day at 5 p.m. Okay, I'm trying to stream every day at 5 p.m. whenever I can. So make sure that you follow. You every time you get a notification, you hop in to my YouTube live streams, okay, and my TikTok live streams. And don't be shy. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. Whatever questions you guys have, there's not a wrong question over here, okay? Politically incorrect over on the TikTok saying, do you think this is the beginning of a bull run? Well, I've always thought, and I'm very, very like laser focused on this thought, that the beginning of the bull cycle happens right after the halving, okay? Right after the halving. But today's news, where Grayscale won the lawsuit, what does that mean? That's a trigger right there. That's a huge trigger for a bull cycle, because now there's no reason not to have an ETF being approved on the crypto market. What does an ETF do for crypto? Well, it drives demand. It drives money flow, okay? It pushes interest from people to put money in on Bitcoin, okay? And if it puts it in on Bitcoin, it's going to pretty much do the exact same thing for every other coin out there. So it just drives more interest and more adoption into the markets, okay? We're talking about billions and billions, maybe even trillions of dollars that could be put in on cryptocurrencies, okay? Now the SEC can't stop it. There's nothing holding it back. And if that is true, we're going to get that ETF approved sooner or later. And we're going to get all that market money flow being on Bitcoin, driving the price to the upside. But is that today? If that is today, no, I don't think that's today. We might have a little bit of a pullback. We're going to go in on the pullback. But I do believe that this is just another catalyst to drive the price up for Bitcoin. Okay? More power to the upside. But I've always been laser focused, and there's nothing anybody else can tell me otherwise. I believe that the next bull cycle is right after the halving. Okay, but no reason why not to start accumulating on Bitcoin right now. The accumulation prices are now. Okay, can it go lower? Of course it can go lower, but you don't care, because we know we're going to get that bull cycle sooner or later, right around the corner, right after the halving. We get the halving, we get the new president, bull cycle. Halving, president, bull cycle. Okay. My man over on the TikTok saying, can we just DCA no matter what as long market red? Yeah, that's a great strategy right there, my man. That eliminates all the risk. Pretty much the biggest risk we got is that the market reverses to another direction that we didn't know. That's pretty much what can happen to all traders. But if you dollar cost average on the way down, it doesn't matter. It'll bounce sooner or later. We're going to catch that bouncy bounce, okay? And we just enjoy the ride to the upside. Do dollar cost average on the way down is the easiest, less risk strategy out there, okay? Which is pretty much what we talk about here when we do our trades. When we do our trades, we dollar cost average on the way down, okay? The only difference between now and then is that I'm seeing a lot of momentum to the upside. So we're going to dollar cost average on the way down, but we need to figure out what those zones are. So we got to do our Fibonacci levels, okay? We use the Fibonacci's to find that support line, and we jump in on those support zones, okay? So stick around, because we're going to look at that today, okay? Salvador Aguirre over on the TikTok saying, have you heard of Bullion FX Pro, or is it a scam? I've never heard about that, but 99.9% of all the things in crypto are scams, so stay away. If it's not hodling your own crypto in your own wallet and your own cold storage device, don't even look that way. Don't even look that way. So big shout out for everybody here over on the TikTok channel. You guys are amazing. Let's see what we got over here on the YouTube. Shubham over on the TikTok, over on the YouTube channel saying, I am from India and I want to work with you as a thumbnail designer. Brother, at the moment, I don't need a thumbnail designer. But if you want to send over your work, let me have a look at it. Go right ahead. Sure, why not? I got no problems with that. I got no problems with that. But at the moment, I don't really need one. But maybe that could change any day. So if you have any ideas, go right ahead and send it over to me, my man. No worries. No worries. All right, guys, we're going to give you one more minute, and we'll start the class. Bobby Serrano over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Bobby Serrano. Okay. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Stick around. Let's find out together. Let's find out what the hell the marketers are doing right now. I like to start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. Everything in crypto is tied to Bitcoin. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first. It'll repeat on everything out there, okay? Bitcoin is king. It's rule number one. Rule number one, crypto, Bitcoin is king. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. Put that in the back of your mind, okay? That for now, Bitcoin is king. So we're looking on Bitcoin right now over on the screen. And what am I looking at right now? Let's zoom in into the last candle, the last few candles. And what is the market doing with these candles as of right now over on the daily chart, by the way? This is the daily chart. Looking on the daily chart for some Bitcoin action, what is it doing as of right now? It's pumping to the upside. It doesn't take a genius to know that the momentum is upwards, okay? Momentum is upwards. So what are you going to do with that information? You're going to bet that the price is going to go where? Up. Okay? Simple as that. On the daily, we get the momentum. Now, we're going to drop into the lower time frames and see if we can have a little bit of a scalpy-scalp situation happening so that we can get in and try to catch some bottom action to push the price to the upside, okay? But before we go to the lower time frames, let's figure something out. We have a low. We have a high, and we're waiting for that retracement of the high, right? So that we can have a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels from the bottom to the upside. Okay. Bam. Okay. And that's the information that we have. With this information, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to set our limit buy orders, okay? We're going to set our limit buy orders for the golden ratio zone, which is the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. This price range right here. Now, there is, however, one issue with this scenario playing out right now, okay? One issue. Big shout out to Jitty Bab over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. How you doing, man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. So... there's only one issue happening over here with the Fibonacci levels, and that is that the price of Bitcoin is struggling for dear life to break above the 382. Okay? If an asset closes above the 382, okay, it is highly unlikely that that fucker is not going to come back down. Why? Because your next target price is the negative 382. With that said, that means that all this liquidity over here is going to get gobbled back up, swallowed by all the whales, and price action is going to be to the upside all the way to previous support levels over here at the negative 382. Okay? K-Series Tennies 27 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, K-Series. How you doing, my man? It's all good, or good? Trying to catch these action, my man. This action is great power to the upside for Bitcoin. So, with that said, are we going to go back down to 25K? I don't think so. I don't think so. Honestly, I really don't. I really don't think that we're going to go back down to 25K. But I am going to put my Fibonacci levels, and I'm going to go in on those Fibonacci levels. Doesn't matter what, okay? Because this sucker can turn around at any moment, okay? We know that. The volatility in crypto is crazy, okay? So we're going to play by the rules. I'm not going to let what I'm looking on the screen drive my emotions. I'm not going to emotionally trade this. I'm just going to put my Fibonacci levels, figure out what is the 618 on the Fibonacci, which is this price right here. And I'm going to set a limit buy order for that price right there. Okay, so my target price to getting in on some more Bitcoin action is 25,686. Why? Because momentum is now to the upside. Okay, it was to the downside yesterday. It was a whole other game yesterday. Today changes. Boom, whole other animal to the upside, and we need to trade in favor of it. Okay, so my target price to getting in on some more Bitcoin action is 25,686. Now, if you are dollar cost averaging on the way down, let's say that this sucker actually decides to keep going to the downside for some reason, it could happen, of course it can, then we are going to set the same limit buy orders to the downside just in case this fucker decides to come back down. Okay, how do we do that? We take the same Fibonacci tool, but in reverse. We identify the high, we identify the low, and we identify the reversal of that low. This is a shark fin formation in reverse. Okay, so let's draw out in reverse what is that Fibonacci level. Okay, this is right there. And then we drag it to the downside, like there. There you go. And there we go. This is the Fibonacci levels to the downside, okay? What do we do with this information? Well, looking on the screen right now, if we do it in reverse, what is Bitcoin doing as of right now? It is trading a little bit below the golden ratio in reverse. Okay, it's struggling to break through. That is your signal to short Bitcoin. Okay, I don't tend to short Bitcoin, especially when we have a green candle. Momentum is to the upside. It's super duper dangerous for me to short anything when we get a green candle. So I don't even look that way. But if you were shorting Bitcoin, this is actually a good sign to short Bitcoin because we just never know. Okay, we just never know. The sucker can reverse at any time, but that's high risk, high reward. I don't recommend. I don't give you any financial advice whatsoever. But if I wouldn't be shorting Bitcoin ever. Okay, but it does give me the negative 382 down here and the negative 618, which is the flip zone where we go back in on Bitcoin and buy more Bitcoin if it actually dumps to the downside. Okay, so my new target prices for Bitcoin after this little pumpy pump that action that was happening right now is 22,330 and 21,201. Not saying in no way, shape, or form that we're going to get to those price ranges, okay? In no way, shape, or form. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to go down to the down. If we're going to go down, I don't know. But if we are, guess what? I'm stacking up on my Bitcoin on those price ranges right over there. That means that I'm going to buy part of my purchasing power at 25K, 22K, and 21K. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play out that scenario the exact same way that I do. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to actually do this. You do whatever the hell you want to do. You do your own research. This is just how I am going to be playing this Bitcoin scenario as of today. Okay, this can change tomorrow, and if it does, then we reset the Fibonacci levels and we figure it out all over again. Okay, but that is where I am going to start stacking up on my Bitcoin action. Okay, in no way, shape, or form does that mean that we are going to go to the downside. I have no idea whatsoever. But if we are, guess what? I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin. Where? Those price ranges right over there. Okay, buying it with a limit buy order and putting it in my handy dandy cold storage device. Okay, so I can keep control of my own crypto. And that, guys, is my scenario for playing this game on Bitcoin. Okay, now we're going to repeat this exact same scenario with every other coin out there, the ones that I'm actually buying. And if you guys have any other coins you want to look at, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do my best to do my TA, okay? So whatever you guys want to talk about, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the YouTube channel saying, yo, brother, hope you're doing good. Dude, I'm doing super duper good, my man. I'm chilling like a villain. My tooth doesn't hurt anymore, so I'm super duper happy about that. The surgery went super duper well, so I'm happy about that. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Nothing bad that I could talk about. I'm super chill right now, brother. I'm super chill. Glow Gang Mike. Big shout out to you, Glow Gang Mike, over on the YouTube channel, saying, what's the best crypto to invest in? Whatever crypto you want to buy, bro. Whatever crypto you want to buy. We're heading over to the halving. We got the lawsuit over today. Power to the upside. What do you think is going to happen with the rest of the market? The entire market is going to probably what? Blow up. Blow up. Buy whatever the hell fucking coin you want, bro. That's completely up to you. Whatever coin. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We're heading over to a bull cycle right around the corner. I'm seeing it. It's in the charts, bro. It's in the charts. Buy whatever the hell coin you want to buy. What am I buying? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM. We'll talk about that today. Don't worry about it. You can go in. Daniel Spiwak 355 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Daniel. XRP. Bro, XRP is the way. It's the way. Stack up on your bags, bro. Stack up on them bags. Strap in, because we're heading over to the moon on XRP. So big shout out to you guys over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Everybody over on the YouTube channel, you guys are awesome. Thank you for stopping by. Let me see what we got over here. We got about 9 people over on the YouTube channel. That's amazing. That's always super duper good to see. So big shout out for everybody here. Now, we're going to head on over to a little bit of Ethereum action and figure out what are we going to do with some Ethereum. Ethereum is pumping. If Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum does the exact same thing. What do I say? Do your technical analysis on Bitcoin first. And then it's going to repeat on every other coin out there. And if Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum does the exact same thing. Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. They're tied together by the hip. I am him over on the TikTok saying XLM to 13 cents. If it breaks that, 14 cents. What do you think, my man? Bro, if that doesn't sound like a great fucking trading plan, I don't know what does. Stick around. We're going to talk about some XLM action in a little while, though. I'll check it out. Give me a second. James over on the TikTok saying, now you fixed the screen. Much better. Thank you. I'm retrying to use the software. Hopefully, I don't get a community strike on the software, because every time I use the TikTok software to stream, it gives me a community strike. I don't know why. I don't know why. So hopefully I don't get one and my channel doesn't get taken down again. So it is what it is. But yeah, no, the quality should be a bajillion times better. Okay? A bajillion times better. And if you want even a better quality, head on over to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is at 4K right now, so you can always check out that out. So looking on some Ethereum action as of right now, Ethereum pumping because Bitcoin is pumping. It is what it is. We have a low. We have a high, and we're waiting for that retracement of the high. When is that going to happen? I have no idea, but that's a shark fin formation. With that shark fin formation, what do? I set my Fibonacci levels, and those are my Fibonacci levels as of right now. Okay? Where is the 618? The 618 is right here at 1,577. 1,577. 1,577. Okay. So where am I going to set my limit buy orders? 1,577. Okay. I don't know if we're actually going to go down to 1,577. I have no clue whatsoever. Doesn't look like it's going to go back down to 1,577. The entire crypto market doesn't look like it's ever going to go back down. I have nothing else other than what I'm looking on the screen. So I have a 618 to the upside and I have a 618 to the downside. So let's figure out what those two are. I already got the one from the upside. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the downside. Okay. Now, where is the 618 to the downside? Here. So what is Ethereum doing right now? Trying for dear life to close above that 618 to the downside. If it doesn't close above the 618 to the downside, it's going to come back down. Okay. It's going to come back down. And where is it going to come back down? To the negative 382. Okay, to the negative 382. Where is the negative 382? Down here. Okay, down here. Okay. And the negative 618. The negative 618, it's like a backup. Just in case it keeps going lower, that's my other entry price to getting in on some Ethereum, okay? So I'm going to write this down so you guys can see. 1,351 and 1,277. Those are my dollar cost average prices to the downside for Ethereum. But in no way, shape, or form does that tell me that we are going to go down on Ethereum. No. Momentum is to the upside. Money flow is to the upside. Everything, the VWAP is to the upside. I don't have any signals whatsoever on any of my indicators that this fucker is going to come back down. None whatsoever. Okay. So if you're not in it, these are your trades to getting in on some Ethereum action. Okay. But that doesn't mean that we're going to get there. But if we do, by some miracle, this fucker dumps, we're ready. Okay. We're ready. We're going to go in. Okay, 1,577, 1,300, and 1,200. Okay. Peter Hall over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Peter. Why isn't Pepe on your watch list? Because I don't trade Pepe. But if you want to talk about some Pepe action, we can talk about some Pepe action. Of course we can. Bring it here, brother. I got no discrimination against any coins whatsoever. I don't trade Pepe personally, but no reason why you guys shouldn't be trading Pepe. We can talk about some Pepe. Pepe coins. Pepe. We can talk about some Pepe. Okay. Now moving on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing as of right now? Moving with the markets to the upside. Bitcoin pumps. XRP is going to pump. Okay. So we have the exact same scenario playing out for Bitcoin. We have a low. We have a high, okay? And we're waiting for that retracement back down of the high. When is that going to happen? I have no idea whatsoever. But I'm going to use this as if we were having a retracement on the Fibonacci levels. So with that, I am going to draw my Fibonacci levels on the low, on the high, and where is my 618? My 618 as of right now is down at 47 cents, okay? I don't think that, oh my God. If you're asking me if we're ever going to see 40-cent XRP, no, I don't know. The last chance to stacking up on your XRP was the major dumpy dump, and I was screaming it to the four winds to get some XRP because this is the chance. This is the time. The time is now. Get in. And it went all the way down to 40 cents. It went all the way down to 40 cents on the dumpy dump. That dumpy dump was preparing people for what the grayscale was going to do. Drive the price to the downside, and then we buy back in so that we can move the price back up. It's all a game, guys. It's all a goddamn game, and we got to learn how to read the rules, follow the rules, and play in favor of them, okay? Hey, I'm just saying. Don't kill the messenger. Don't kill the messenger. Hate the game, not the player. So my 618 is at 47. Let me write it down over here. 0.47614. Okay. So if God will provide and give us a second chance to getting in on XRP, let it be at 47,614. Okay. Can't do it for you guys. I can't do it for you. But this fucker moving to the upside, we're going to get that cross of the MACD to the upside with the blue moving to the upside. I honestly, I could tell you, I don't see XRP going back down to the 40s. I could be completely full of shit and this fucker dumps from here, of course. But if it does, guess what? We're locked and ready to go. My entry price is at 47,614. 47,614. Now, if you want a dollar cost average on the way down, let's do the reverse Fibonacci. Okay. This is the reverse Fibonacci. And where is my 618 in reverse? Over here at 56 cents. What does that tell me? It tells me that there is high resistance at 56 cents. Okay. So we got to keep an eye out for that price range, 56,516, okay? 56 cents just kind of looks like could be the top. Could be the top, okay? Could be the top. If it closes above the 618 on reverse, nothing stopping it to go into all-time highs, okay? Nothing stopping it from keep going to the upside. Okay? If you're a betting man and you want to short XRP, betting it to the way down, 56 cents is the way to go. Okay? 56 cents is the way to go. Now, with that said, it does give you the negative 382 and the negative 618. What do you do with that information? Those are your limit buy orders on the way down if this fucker decides to just dump on everybody and take a shit on everybody. 36,579 and 0.33021. Those guys are my 3 limit buy orders on the way down if this fucker decides to take an absolute shit on everybody. I don't see that happening anymore. Okay? I don't see that happening anymore. But if it does, we're ready. Okay? We're ready. We're going to buy some more. Okay? Corelli over on the TikTok saying, can you look at Caspa? We can talk about some Caspa. Of course we can. Be right down in my handy dandy notebook. We can talk about some Caspa. Bring it here, guys. Whatever coins you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. Caspa. We can look at some Caspa. All right. And that, guys, is my playable scenario for XRP. As of right now, I don't see XRP going down in any time. I just don't see it. I just don't see it, okay? We're probably going to close above 56 cents in the next few days. That's what I'm seeing, okay? You do with that information as you weigh, whatever the hell you want to trade it. But I don't see XRP coming back down. I don't see any other coin coming back down, okay? Because Bitcoin, I don't think is going to come back down. So if Bitcoin is not going to come back down, nothing is going to come back down. I am seeing this revered scenario right here. This is what I always look at. This crossover of the blue with the yellow. Whenever that sucker decides to cross to the upside, power to the upside. Look at this one over here. Look at this one over here. Let me see if I can move it for you over on the TikTok so you can see it. You see here where it crosses to the downside? That is a major signal that prices were going to come back down. And guess what happened? That was your shorting scenario. Okay, that's where you should have shorted XRP. Okay, and we also had a signal over here in this indicator that it was going to go to the downside. And we got the RSI crossing to the downside. Everything was telling us that the prices was going to go down. Okay, that's where we took advantage of it and we bought more XRP to the downside. We went in on a trade and made $5,000 the next day. Okay, but as of right now, I'm seeing the opposite happening. Okay, the opposite is this crossover on the MACD to the upside, momentum to the upside. The RSI curving back up and this one curving back down. We're going to get that cross. Are we going to get a bullish signal on the moving averages? Who knows? They're closing in on each other, so we'll see. Okay, we're going to keep an eye out on all of that, all of those scenarios. Okay, Atlas, my man Atlas, how you doing, Atlas? It's all good, all good. You know how it is over on the TikTok. XRP will not bull run till after Q3 reporting. Absolutely, I believe that too, brother. That's what I'm saying. Not a bull run. Not a bull run. Accumulation. Accumulation. Okay? What are my accumulation prices? Those on the screen right now. Not a bull run. My accumulation run. Buying more XRP. Atlas over on the TikTok saying expect accumulation at that low for until October quarterly reporting. Every time it hits that low, it's a buy and will buy. Yeah. Yeah. There you go, Atlas. You the man. You the man, Atlas. I don't know what you're waiting for to do your own goddamn channel, bro. I don't know what you're waiting for. Because you're spitting facts. You're spitting facts. Francis Aguila over on the TikTok. Hola. Hola to you. How you doing, Hola? It's all, Francis. It's all good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain. Big shout out to you, Francis. Welcome. So yeah, guys, that is how I am going to be playing my XRP bags. Okay, buying on the way to the downside. Okay, I just don't see it coming all the way down to 33. But if it does, we're ready. We're locked and loaded. Limit buy orders. Boom, automatic. I can go to sleep. I can enjoy my life and let the trade do its thing. Okay. Atlas over on the TikTok saying there's another buy at 3.5-ish that will be filled right before the bull run. This area to be the low. Yeah, bro, that would be amazing. If we could, you're talking about 35 cents? 35 cents or 3 cents? Pfft, XRP goes to 3 cents. I'm refinancing my house immediately. No, don't do that. That's stupid. Don't do that. All right, moving on to some XLM action. Well, if XRP pumps or dumps, XLM does the exact same thing. Okay, XLM is always like the evil twin sister of XRP, but one does, so does the other. So in XLM, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And go-blango-blammo. What is my 618 to the downside? To the upside? 11 cents. 0.118833. Okay. And what is my reverse Fibonacci levels to the downside? Where is my 618, my negative 382, and my negative 618? Down here. So for XLM, my next entry price, 0.099918. And 0.093655. There you go. So if I was a betting man, and I think that XLM is going to go to the downside, where am I going to start stacking up on my XLM? 11 cents and 9 cents. Okay, 9 cents. That's it. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Do I think we're going to go back down to 9 cents on XLM? Doesn't look like it. It just does not look like it. We're getting that crossover on the MACD. We're getting that curvature to the upside on the RSI. On my RSI, I don't know. But I could be wrong. And if I'm wrong, then I'm glad I'm wrong because I'm buying more on the way down. Atlas over on the TikTok saying XRP will take over the market cap of Bitcoin next year. Oof. Brother, from your mouth to God's ears. Let it happen. The billionaire who died had 2 billion XRP, and they're figuring out how to deal with these kind of losses. What billionaire died? Wait. What happened here? When did this happen? Michael Delaney. Big shout out to you, Michael Delaney, over on the TikTok. What do you recommend to go to learn to read the charts? Right here, brother. You don't need to go anywhere else. Hit that follow button, hit the subscribe over on my YouTube channel, and watch all of my live streams. All the information is absolutely free. Completely free. But if you want to take it to a whole other level, like you want to learn from the best, bro, there has got to be at least a bajillion videos online of people just teaching how to trade. Okay, the super basics to the super advanced. You can get a master's degree in finance and portfolio management, and you could go that route. Okay, over here in the Crypto Dojo, for Crypto Sensei, I have my own trading style, and that's what I teach. I teach my way of trading. Okay, which is like a super what's the word I'm looking for? It's not as difficult as people try to make it seem. Okay, it's not as difficult as people try to make it seem. It can be really insanely difficult, or it can be really super simple to do if you just follow the rules. Okay, my trading style, is based on support and resistance and following always the trend of the charts. We figure out when the prices are going to go to the upside, when the prices are going to go to the downside. We use indicators to figure out when that is going to happen. Okay. I use 3 indicators as of right now, which is these right here, these, and these. And they pretty much tell me momentum, where the price is going to be headed. Okay. We figure out what those zones are on the Fibonacci level. So I have entry prices just in case it dumps from there. And we go in on the way down dollar cost averaging. I know that it sounds ridiculous and insanely difficult, but it's not. So if I was you, smash that follow button. And if you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. You got me here for an hour of power. Sometimes I even stream for 2 hours. Okay. So if you have any questions, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. Atlas over on the TikTok saying everything is going to buy levels before a pump. All crypto is accumulation phase. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're not in a bull cycle. This is not a bull cycle. This is an accumulation cycle. Okay, we're accumulating on all of our crypto, whatever crypto you want. I'm saying buy whatever the hell you want. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, excellent, whatever the hell. Completely up to you. I'm stacking up on my XRP. That's all I got to say. I'm stacking up on my XRP. Atlas over on the TikTok saying not too long ago, some capitalist died with 2 billion XRP and nobody has the keys. Oh, that sucks in so many fucking levels. Can you imagine that XRP goes to $5 and there's $10 billion stuck in a wallet? Oh, man, there is nothing those people are going to be able to do. Not a damn thing. Oh, that sucks to hear. That sucks to hear in so many levels. At 24 over on the TikTok saying, what are the 3 indicators you use? Names, amigo. We can talk about that. Yeah, we'll talk about that on the class, okay? I'm going to go through the coins, and after we go through the coins, I'll give you guys my indicators, okay? Atlas saying over on the TikTok, wait for the yearly open to be tested. Mike Ackerman 999 over on the TikTok saying, big shout out to you, Mike. Got my 10K of XRP. Is that a good bag? Mike, my man, don't tell me how much XRP you have. I really I'm not interested in knowing what anybody is holding on crypto, okay, my man? But hey, 10K, great bag. My target price is $5, $50,000. If I had $50,000, brother, $50,000 would take care of my house, my debts, my car. I'd be done. I'd be financially free with $50,000. It's a lot of money for me. I don't know about other people, but it's a lot of money for me. 10,000 XRP at $5, that's $50,000. Not financial advice, but hey, that's a great bag right there. That's a great bag. Peter Hall over on the YouTube channel saying, were you ever a radio DJ? It sounds like no, I've never been a radio DJ, bro. Although if this whole crypto thing doesn't pay out, then I know where to go. I can be a radio DJ. Peter Hall over on the YouTube saying, does this Fibonacci technique work with any time frame? Absolutely. As long as you have momentum, if you can define where momentum is going, you can go to the lower time frames, especially that 10-minute lower time frame. I'm giving you a little golden nugget, the 10-minute time frame. You can use the same Fibonacci levels, the exact same thing, but you got to do it to the momentum side. Go to the daily, figure out where the price is going, what is the momentum, and then you go to the 10-minute and you put in your Fibonacci levels and you trade in favor of the momentum. Okay? Always, always, always. You put your stop losses just in case it doesn't go your way. Most of the times it doesn't go your way, but if you only trade with like 2% of your portfolio, hey, and you got a positive win rate of 75%, those losses are going to be nothing. Mike Ackerman 999 over on the TXR saying thoughts on buyback. Is that false info? Well, for me, all news and info and rumors and whatever the hell the people are saying are all absolutely false until the day it actually happens. Okay? Until the day it actually happens. I have no trust whatsoever for what the hell people are saying online. I always take with a humongous grain of salt everything I see on TikTok, on Twitter, on whatever the hell people are saying. Okay? I've learned throughout my experience of life that if it sounds too good to be true, it most likely is too good to be true. So if it doesn't happen, it ain't real. I'm not going to pay attention to it, and I'm not going to trade in whatever the hell the people are saying. It doesn't matter to me. Okay? It doesn't matter to me. I don't see it in the charts. Okay? I don't see it in the charts, so it's not real. For me, it's not real. But if it happens, what was the buyback? The price of the buyback, was it like $10,000 per XRP? Brother, if XRP goes to $10,000, what color you want your Bugatti? All right, moving on. What else we got? We got some Pepe action. You guys want to talk about some Pepe coin? Pepe. Let's see what the hell is Pepe doing. Oof. Pepe not looking too good. Pepe. What are you doing, Pepe? Pepe is not giving a single fuck about anything or anyone at all. Okay, so we have a low. We have a high, and we have a reversal of the high. Broke through, so it's just, oh man, no. Ugh. Pepe no bueno, guys. We have a high. We have a low. We have a reversal of the low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. That's power to the downside. It hit the target price of the -382. So if you guys wanted to stack up on some Pepe coin, that was your buy signal right there, the -382 and the -618. Oh man, I don't know who the hell wants to trade Pepe, but Pepe looking nasty. Pepe looking nasty. Bottom coin. Bottom coin. If you guys wanted to bet your ass on Pepe coin, 703. Right here. 0 point. Sorry. Oh man, it's so nasty. 0 point. Holy shit, how many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 703. That's my buy signal to getting in on some Pepe coin. That price right there. 703. But it's looking nasty as hell, Peter. It's looking nasty as hell. High risk, high reward. No other way to go, brother. Great position to start stacking up on some Pepe coin. If you guys want to do it that way. Completely up to you. But Pepe coin looking nasty as shit. Nasty as shit. I am him over on the TikTok channel saying Algorand is due for a breakout. We can talk about some Algorand. Of course we can. Algorand. Algo. I like Algorand. I like the technology. I like what they're doing. But people just don't give it the love it deserves. Mike Ackerman over on the TikTok saying, is Shiba Coin going to surpass Doge? So you want to talk about some Shiba Coin and some Doge? We can talk about some Shiba Coin and some Doge. Shiba and Doge. We can talk about those. Okay, we can talk about those. Of course we can. So let's talk about a little bit of Algo. No, Kaspa. You guys wanted to talk about some Kaspa Coin. What is Kaspa gonna do? Woo! We talked about this the last live stream, and look at that. It hit exactly on my target price at 5 cents. You know what? I'm not even going to brag about that one. I'm going to get rid of it, and we're going to restart it all over again. I don't even want to talk about Kaspa. So on Kaspa, we have the bear signal to the downside. We have a cross of the MACD to the downside. I don't have enough information for my RSI analysis to work as of right now, so I'm not going to use the RSI. But we do have a cross of the moving averages to the downside. So momentum is to where? The downside. Okay, so if you're going to trade you're going to bet on Caspa, it's to the downside. Okay. With that said, what is my entry prices? We have a high, we have a low, we have a reversal of the high, and the target price hit exactly on the 382. No, it hasn't. It hasn't hit the 382 as of just yet. So there's still some price action to the downside that might play out for Caspa. Another chance to getting in on some Caspa action, especially on the negative 618 at 2 cents. Okay, at 2 cents. 0.02884. That is my target price for Caspa. Okay. If I was going to start stacking up on some Caspa, it would be at 0.02884. Do whatever you want with that information. Completely up to you. Okay. Completely up to you. Moving on to some algo action. Algorand. All right, so Algorand, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a reversal of the low. So we have a reverse chart information. So we're going to do our reverse Fibonacci levels. And where is Algorand trading as of right now? It is fighting for dear life to break out of that 0.5 and 618. See how those two zones are becoming strong resistance and weak support. So we got to keep an eye out on those. Okay, we got to keep an eye out on those. But if you're a betting man and you wanted to start stacking up on your Algorand, what are my buying scenarios? Where do I want to buy Algorand? I want to buy Algorand right there, right there, and right there. So my 3 limit buy orders on Algorand is 0.08885, 0.07, so exactly on 7 cents, and 0.0640. Those are my 3 limit buy orders to start stacking up on some Algorand. If it goes to the downside, okay? Kind of looks like it is, and it kind of looks like it's not. So it's a tricky one. Algorand is looking kind of saucy. She's flirting with me. She looks like the girl next door, you know? I don't know what she wants because the indicators are telling me 3 different things. I don't know. Juju! Big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Juju? Hello, is Bitcoin ETF approved? No, it's not approved as of just yet, but Grayscale lawsuit against the SEC because of the ETFs, the Grayscale won. The SEC lost. So now there is nothing stopping the market from making it a Bitcoin ETF. I mean, if we were waiting for a signal from the gods, whoever it is you pray to, that Bitcoin was going to go to the upside, it's that right there. Is that right there? We don't even have the Bitcoin ETF approved, and look what the prices are doing. Wait, see what happens when we actually do get an approval. I am him saying I'd buy right now. So you're saying to buy some more Algorand? You want to buy some more Algorand? Yeah. I mean, the difference between 9 cents, 8 cents, hey, that's nothing. Compared for the bull cycle, if you want to start accumulating on your Algorand, go do you, boo-boo. Do you, boo-boo. Just make sure you put it on your cold storage device, okay? Don't leave it in any exchanges. Simple as that. Next bull cycle. Big shout out to Mike Ackerman. Thank you for that heart, Mike Ackerman. Big shout out to you. Love you too, brother. Atlas over on the TikTok saying every year, August 18th, 61.8% day of the year. September 23rd-ish is 72% of the year. The time to invest was early in the year. The time to trade is now. That's why you see swings. 83% of the year is the crypto bull run. BTC is dictating the entire interest of market investors, so its consolidation is necessary right now. Sounds like a fucking trading plan to me, Atlas. Let's make it happen, Captain. Let's make it happen. All right, let's talk about some Chiba coin. Chiba coin. So Chiba coin. Chiba coin. I already gave you my target price of some Chiba coin. Let me write it down right here so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. 0.000061716. Okay. That is my limit buy order to stacking up on some Chiba coin. I am getting a bearish signal. I don't have a cross of the RSI just yet, but I do have one on the MACD. So momentum is to the downside. Okay, momentum is to the downside on Chiba coin. My entry price is at 6716. Okay, I personally don't trade these type of coins, but completely up to you. If you guys want to trade Chiba coin, that's a great scenario to getting in on some Chiba coin. Okay. We can do the exact same thing the other way around, so you can figure out what are your dollar cost averages on the way down. We have a high, we have a low, and we have it right here. The -382 and the -618. And those two target prices are 0.123455817 and 0.123455185. Those are your limit buy orders to start stacking up on some Chiba coin, brother. Now, Doge, on the other hand, hit exactly my target price at 0.05317. My man, I'm not going to do this forever, you know. I'm not going to be a streamer for the rest of my life. No. I will retire someday at XRP $50. I can't keep giving you all the right price ranges. No, not for free. God damn. Anyway, so Dogecoin bounced exactly on my target price of 0.053817. Okay. Momentum is to the upside. Why? Because we have a double bottom. Okay. Double bottoms tend to be bullish signals. So prices go to the upside. We are going to get that cross of the MACD. Okay. On the RSI, we still got a curvature to the upside. So we probably got a little bit long ways to go before we see some real price action on Dogecoin to keep going to the upside. But momentum is up. Momentum is up. Chiba coin, momentum is down. Momentum is down. Okay. So you do with that information as you may. I don't think Chiba coin will ever overtake Dogecoin, especially if Papa Musk keeps investing into Doge and just shilling the hell out of Doge over and over again. So no, I don't think that Chiba coin could take over Doge, but I could be completely wrong. Completely wrong. Okay, guys. So let's talk about my indicators. Let's talk about my indicators. Couldn't do it the last time because the internet went out. So let's talk about my indicators. Okay. Okay. How do I figure out what momentum prices are going to go? Now, like I've always stated about my indicators, remember that indicators are just suggestions. Okay. They're not written in stone. I can get it wrong. They can get it wrong so many fucking times. Okay. So many fucking times. But since we don't have a time machine, it's the only information that we have are indicators. Indicators are based in historical data, pattern recognition. Okay. That's the whole purpose of indicators. They try to deduce what is going to happen tomorrow by what happened yesterday. Now, human beings are irrational beings. We do whatever the fuck we want. But in the majority point of view, the macro point of view, human beings tend to behave in patterns. Indicators identify those patterns, okay? But then they don't get it right 100% of the time. So you got to take everything with a grain of salt. You got to do your due diligence. You got to do your research. You got to listen to what the hell the news are saying, okay? So you take indicators with a grain of salt, okay? Mike Ackerman over on the TXOX saying, thank you, brother. No, thank you for stopping by, bro. You know how it is. XRP Queen. Big shout out to XRP Queen. How you doing, XRP Queen? Let's go, XRP. XYO is also a great project. Looks like the digital Google Maps. You can get it on Coinbase. Yeah. Hey, more power to you, brother. More power to the XYO community. Big shout out to everybody, all of my brothers and sisters over in the XYO community. No reason why not to start stacking up on your XYO. XYO looking kind of saucy too. So guys, what are the 3 indicators that I use to do my trades? There's only 3 of them, so get really, really good at them, okay? First one, you go to indicators and you type in Trader XO, and it's this one right here by BTC Charlie. I didn't make this indicator, okay? We got to give the credit to BTC Charlie. It is a completely free indicator, and it works really, really well. What does that indicator do? Looking on the screen, it gives you these signals right over here. You see these signals? These red and green signals? What are those green and red signals? Those are crosses. It gives you a signal when moving averages cross one another, okay? It's most likely the 8 and the 15. You know what? I've never even looked at what those AMAs are. Okay, so it's the 12 and the 25. When the 12 EMA crosses the 25 EMA. Okay? So whenever those 2 moving averages cross each other, it shoots out a signal of what the price might do. For example, here, this red triangle says bear. That means that prices are going to go down. And what happened? It went down. Look at this one. It says bull. That means that prices are going up. And what happened? Prices went up. Another bear signal. What happened? Prices went down. Bull. Prices went up. Bear. Prices went down. Bull. I mean, we can keep going. And you're going to get those signals, and they're all playing out quite nicely, especially on the daily. The daily is where you're going to see the momentum, and if you see a signal playing out in the daily chart, hey, don't hesitate. Zero hesitation, okay? Now, this indicator goes hand in hand with another indicator, okay? It's this one down here. Now, this RSI, I made it, but I didn't make it myself, okay? I took it from somebody else that I was watching on YouTube, okay? And then I put it on ChatGPT. And using the power of AI, figured out a way to have these signals be a lot more efficient, okay? Whenever we get a bear signal, you have to come back down here to this RSI, which is mine, by the way. If you want this RSI, go to my Discord channel. I'll send you the text, okay? So you can copy it and paste it into your trading view. You can use it for yourself, okay? It's free. Don't worry about it. Completely free. I just have to have a way to send it to you. So head on over to my Discord, okay? Link in bio. And ask for the RSI, okay? Ask for it on the chat box, and I'll send you the script that you can copy and paste it into your trading view, okay? So whenever we get this bear signal down here, go down here and make sure that the purple line is crossing the yellow. We get a bear signal. We get a cross of the purple to the yellow to the downside. Prices are going to go down. Okay? Prices are going to go down. Big shout out to Danger Dane. What's up, homie? What's up with you, man? It's all good or good. You know how it is. Just chaining like a villain. So big shout out to you. Oh, Danger Dane. big shout out to Danger Dan. He became a subscriber over on the TikTok channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, brother. Make sure that you head on over to my Discord, okay? Just for being a subscriber of my TikTok channel, you get a special role on my Discord, okay? A supporter role. And you have access to my DMs, okay? You have access to my DMs, and you can contact me directly over on my Discord, okay? So head on over to the Discord. So let me know that it's you, okay? And I'll give you the role, the Discord role, okay? The supporter role. But big shout out to you, Danger Dan. Been meaning to do that, Bubba. Oh, man. Highly appreciate you, brother. You have no idea how much I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much, Danger Dan. Thank you so much. So head on over to the Discord, okay? So with this RSI, we get the cross, we get the signal. That is high probability that it is going to break to the downside. The exact same way the other way around. We get a bull signal over here. We get a bullish signal. This one was bullish. You go down here and there is a cross of the purple to the upside. The purple to the upside. It played out. Boom, it went to the upside. Okay, so this RSI tied to this indicator gives you a way more winning rate than if you don't use this indicator down here. Okay, this has been back tested, okay, over and over again, and this strategy is berzonkers. Okay, just using those two indicators alone. Okay, 75% win rate up. Okay, 75% win rate up. The results are ridiculous. Okay. Now, if you want to add one more piece of information into your trades, one more indicator to give you even more of an oof, that jab, you know how to do a jab, you want to learn, you know how to do a hook, but can you do an uppercut? Okay, you got to learn how to do an uppercut. You want to learn how to do an uppercut? Add this indicator right down here. It's called Impulse. Impulse MACD, okay, by Lazy Bear. Click on that, activate it. You go to the settings wheel. You go to input, okay, you go to input and you put 12 and 26, okay, 12 and 26, and you hit OK. Now, what does this indicator give you? Oh, wait, my bad. And then you go to style, and these are the colors and settings that I'm using over on the style. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out the exact same way. Okay. But that is the styling that I'm using. You can use whatever color the hell you want. Completely up to you. I just like those colors right there. Okay. So style are these colors and inputs is 1226. Click on those. And how do you use this indicator? Very simple. Big shout out to Hollywood Stewart over on the YouTube channel. Thank you for that subscribe. Big shout out to you, Hollywood. So how do you use this indicator? Very simple. You see these two lines that I have drawn right here, the orange and the blue, Well, whenever they cross each other, you're going to do something with that information. If the blue crosses the orange to the downside, prices are going to go down. Okay. Blue crosses the orange to the upside, prices go up. So basically, it's just one more indicator helping you. You got the jab, you got the hook, and you got the uppercut, okay? Helping you to win the fight. One more piece of information, one more piece of data that you're going to do to your trades, okay? That you take better decisions with lower risk of losing your trade. That's what indicators are for. But you got to keep in mind that no indicator out there is 100% win rate. It's not going to happen. You're going to have your stop loss. You're going to have your losses, okay? That's why we use stop losses. When you use indicators, you got to use stop losses just in case it doesn't go your way. So you do the macro indicators. You go to the daily and you do your indicators, see what signals you have, And then you go to the 10-minute. You go down to the 10-minute chart, okay? And then you do the exact same thing and see what the charts are telling you. For example, looky here. This is a 10-minute chart. I love the 10-minute chart, okay? 10-minute charts are beyond awesome, okay? Beyond awesome. What do we have here on the 10-minute chart? We got a bullish signal. So my first indicator is telling me it's going to go up. My second indicator, the RSI, had a cross of the purple to the upside. That means that it's going to go up. My MACD crossed the orange to the upside. 3 indicators were telling me, yo, this fucker's going to pump. This fucker's going to pump. This fucker's going to pump 3 times over. And what happened? It went up. Okay. So that trade would have been absolutely bazonkers to catch today. And this was before the news. This is why I always tell you guys, fuck the news. Forget about the news. Everything is baked into the charts. What do news do? They set a limit to the upside. Okay. I knew that the price was going to go up. There's the signal right over there. So everything was telling me, hey, it was going to go up. It was going to go up. Now, what did the news give me? Where that price is going to go. If it's great news like today's, then the price is going to be really up. The pump is going to be really up. Okay. If it's news that doesn't really matter, then the momentum is not going to be as big. Today's news was what? We won the lawsuit. Another SEC dump. Okay, another loss for the SEC. Okay, that's wonderful news for everybody in crypto. But it was already in the charts. It was already there. We got the signal right here. Okay? Okay. Just saying. I'm just saying. You got to learn to read the charts. Everything is baked into it. Okay? Everything is baked into it. And that, guys, is my 3 indicators that give me a 70% win rate on all of my trades. If you don't believe me, you can always head on over to my copy trading group. Not telling you to do the copy trading group, but in my copy trading group in BitGet, you can see my trades. You can see my trading profile, okay? And over in my trading profile, you can see my win rate, and I have a 70% win rate. Okay, as of right now, we have an RRI of 42%, and the most I've ever lost is 1%. Okay, my last profit was $7,000 on my trade. Everything is there, guys. You can see it right there. You don't have to take it under, like, you don't have to believe me just what I say. I provide evidence. I provide transparency. You can see my profiles. You can even see my trades. These are all my trades right here. You can see my wins. You can see my losses. Everything is there. And those are the indicators that I use that give me those 70% win rates. Okay. Savage Lee over on the TikTok saying, so no one is questioning how convenient one bit of news can shift the charts. Sus in my book. Yeah, I mean, it can. But if you know how to read the charts, brother, it really doesn't matter what the news say. You just trade in favor of the charts and enjoy the ride whenever the news come out. Okay? Just remember that we are all puppets. Most of the people in crypto are puppets. Okay? If you're not in the high tables, if you're not part of those groups, you're not going to make it. Okay? But everything is baked into the charts. We trade with what the charts are saying, okay? We trade with what the charts are saying. And then the news come out and we enjoy it. We enjoy it. At 24 over on the TikTok saying, thanks. Big shout out to you, brother. Thank you for stopping by. Jinbeb EDT over on the TikTok saying, do you give a class? Like one-on-one classes? Not as of just yet. I've thought about it. I don't know if I'm there yet because the information that I provide should be free. I've always been an adamant believer that information should be free. I don't see myself giving out one-on-one classes or charging for my classes. Or, I don't know. Maybe one day when the community gets a lot bigger or something like that, and it's something that people really, really, really want, then I'll think about it. I'll probably give out a class. But as of right now, hey, all the information is right here for you guys. And you have me for an hour of power every single day. You can come on over and you can ask me anything. Okay? Also, you have my Discord. You can head on over to my Discord and ask away. Ask away in my Discord. I'm there 24 hours a day, every day. And I don't charge for it either. Okay, so if you want, head on over to my Discord and there's a hella big community over there, about 100 members. Okay, and we've all been learning how to trade for the last year. Okay. If you have any questions, head on over there and ask away. Whatever you want to ask. All right, guys. Well, now comes the worst part of my day. That's all the time I got for you today, guys. I really hate the whole streaming experience. It's like a bittersweet. Whenever I have to end the stream, I hate ending the stream. I wish I could stay here 24 hours and just stream away. But I got shit to do, But I'll be back again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern, if God permits. Okay, so if you want to stop by and say hi, talk about whatever the hell you want to talk about, go right ahead. I invite you to come over. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great time. I hope you did too. I appreciate your time as much as I know that you appreciate mine. First, thank you for stopping by, guys. I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Let's see how all of this is going to play out. Okay. I don't know what the hell is going to happen with the markets, but I'm seeing a whole lot of momentum to the upside, and that is always beautiful to see. We're in an accumulation phase. This is where you start accumulating whatever the hell coin you want to buy. Completely up to you. I'm going to start stacking up on more XRP. Okay, I'm holding a pretty hefty bag of about, let me see, how much XRP am I holding on this bag right here? I'll show you. I don't have that much. I wish I had a whole lot more. But I'm holding about 32,000 XRP. Okay. I'm holding about 32,000 XRP. My goal is 100,000 XRP. So let's see if we can actually make it to 100,000 XRP before the end of the year. Okay. That would be absolutely wonderful. Wonderful if we could get there, guys. Steve McKee's over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Steve McKee. Danger Day and 500K. You want 500K XRP? Woo! We got a long ways to go, brother. We got about 10x. We got to 10x our holdings right now. I don't know. Maybe one day we'll get there. Why not? I don't see why not. I don't see why we cannot hold 500K XRP. I just don't. I just really don't. I really don't. Danger Jane saying over on the TikTok, slow and steady. Absolutely. That's pretty much the best way to go, man. That's pretty much the best way to trade. Daddy over on the TikTok saying which wallet is best to hold XRP. I hold mine. Right now I'm holding it on BitGet because I'm trading it. I'm actively trading my XRP. Okay, back and forward. But a cold storage device, which I highly recommend for everybody to use, is the LEPAL device. Right here, the LEPAL device. You can hold any coin you guys want. Go to lepal.com. Also, there is an affiliate link in my bio if you guys want to support the channel. And you get the LEPAL device. This is not sponsored by LEPAL in any way, shape, or form, but it's the one that I use. Okay? lepal.com. This one right here. It's $139 for the bigger version, which is this one right here. Kind of looks like an iPhone. Remember the iPhone 4? It's pretty much the same size as the iPhone 4. But you can also get the cheaper one, which is the LEPAL Mini. It does the exact same thing, only half the size. Okay. And half the price. Bulldog! What are you talking about, brother? If you don't come over to the show, bro, there is no goddamn show. I don't stream if Bulldog is not here in the... Bulldog, big shout out to you, brother. What are you talking about? No shout out to you. You weren't here. What are you talking about? Come on, Bulldog. Let's make it happen, Kevin. Big shout out to Bulldog, my man, Bulldog. Without Bulldog, there's no show. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry to say. It's just not going to happen, bro. It's just not going to happen. Juju over on the Twitch channel saying, I got an erection when I hear 500k XRP. Yo, I wish I had 500k XRP. There's nothing more in this world. 500. I'm suffering to get to 100k XRP. Imagine 500k XRP. Bulldog on the TikTok saying, hold on, I'm running one out, almost done. Oh, rubbing one out. You also heard the whole 500k XRP? Yeah, I got you, bro. I understand perfectly. 500k XRP. If I had 500k XRP, you know what? Just for shits and giggles, how much is 500 XRP? I'm curious. How much would it cost to buy 500k XRP right now? Jesus. $270,000. I could sell my house, my car, my wife, and I'm nowhere near that number. Danger Dane over on the TikTok saying, what have I done? 1.1. I'm just saying, bro. You don't even know. You don't even know. $270,000 to buy 500,000 XRP. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying 5k XRP gave me a wood. Dude, I hear you. I understand perfectly. 5k XRP. Jesus Christ, 5k XRP. No, I'm not even going to think that way, bro. I'm not even going to think that way. I think that way. You guys are amazing. I love these streams, man. This is like therapy for me. You guys are awesome. Well, guys, like I was saying, big shout out for everybody here. Thank you for stopping by. Had a great time. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. If God permits, we're going to be talking about what the hell are we going to do with these markets. Can we get in? Can we please just buy some more XRP? Come on, let's make it happen. I don't know. I might have to get another goddamn job because I want more XRP. Now I have a whole new goal, 500,000 XRP. I got to make it happen. I got to get 500,000 XRP. I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, guys, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate and love each and every one of you. Big shout out for everybody who subscribed and followed and hit the like button. You guys are amazing. See you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care, guys. Have a good one and God bless.